Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have been a little behind with my A Little Spark unboxings and sharing what stickers I have from A Little Spark. They recently sent me a PR kit. I'm going to share that with you. The other stickers that I'm going to show you are kits that I have through the subscription box. So this is a package. Let's turn these over. So this package I received recently. I don't know how long ago it was. I already took the labels off and I did not open it. And I'm not sure which ones I have shared already as far as the ones that are outside of the package, but I figured I would start with what I haven't seen yet, which is this. So A Little Spark stickers, they have a sub box, or I think they have different levels. I have the mini. I get the mini, and I'm going to show you what you get with that. Let's put that there. So this is the most recent one that I've received. I don't watch the reveals. I try to stay away from watching anything so that I can be surprised with what I receive. The thing that I like about A Little Spark stickers or their kits is that they're very different. They don't look like everybody else's. It's not the same dolls. It's not the same designs. It's very unique and very artsy, and I like that about what they offer. So this is the deco sheet. Then we have the icons, checklist, Monday through Sunday, script stickers. Then we have the different size boxes. I'm not going to get into giving you all the sizes. Pretty much no half box, full box, quarter box, like that. And we have an additional full box on this page, decorative full box. And then these are your full boxes. Look at the colors. Very unique and nice. And I think these are for Earth Day, I'm guessing. Like I said, I don't look at the themes and the reveals because I just want to, figure it out for myself. So yeah, anywho, and then these are the date dots and the date covers and some more half boxes. So that is that kit. I'm pretty sure it's for Earth Day. So let's see, do I want to keep it with the bag? I think I do. That's the PR. And then this is the one, I'm not sure if I shared it or not. So if I already did, forgive me, I'm sharing it again. This one looks like it's self-care, medical. Yeah, I think I did share this one. But let's just have another look. So these are the full boxes. And then date dots, day of the week covers, half boxes, the different size boxes. Yep, treat yourself. I remember talking about that. So yeah, I did share this one, but this is very pretty colors, excellent theme. And that's the deco. So we looked at that one. Let's see, what is this one? I think this one is spring cleaning. I don't remember if I showed this one either, but just in case. Deco. Then these are the full boxes. Ooh, I like these. The date of the week covers and the date dots. The different size boxes. And then the icons and scripts. This is the PR package for the RAD collection. It has the 4-sheet mini kit, a deco sheet, die cut pack, dolls, and 2 freestyle journaling sheets. The RAD collection is a full collection. In addition to what I received in this package, the RAD collection includes an a la carte kit, 7-sheet full kit, iridescent overlay quote die cuts, 6-sheet printable kit, letters, and deco sheets. The collection was available beginning March 25th, so it should still be available to you if you are interested. So go check out A Little Spark. I will put a link to their shop in the description box below. let's see what we got here for the RAD collection. So this isn't everything. This is just some of what is available. This is the die cut pack. I think this is like throwback, vintage, pop culture reference items. So, oh, what were these called? These little game things. Let me know. I didn't have one. This was more along the time when my brother was growing up. But yeah. Got a little boom box. I was just talking to my youngest son about boom boxes the other day. A troll doll. Game Boy. I wasn't into gaming. Isn't this like I know what this is called, but it's on the tip of my tongue. Ring pop. Some Chucks. Both of my kids still wear these. And then this is the backing. Even the backing is cute. So those are the die cuts. Let's see what else we got going here. These are the dolls. So they actually have doll stickers in that retro style of dress and different skin tones. Then this is a deco sheet. It has some of the same graphics that are in the die cuts, but it also has floppy disks, an outfit MTV. Wow. A lava lamp. Is this a Furby? I think that's a Furby. And then you got a Barbie. And of course the Kool-Aid. Wow. So this is the kit. Icons, scripts, checklists. You know the drill. The boxes. Look at the lava lamp and the VCR tape. Wow. Then here we go. Some of this stuff I don't know because it was like after my teenage years, but it was like I'm like in the middle there. So like my kids, they like the tape bubble gum. I remember my brother had one of these things. Of course, I know about the Kool-Aid. This Ouch bubble gum is familiar, but I don't know it. And the cell phones, yep, not even my first cell phone looked like that. This was like maybe my second or third one that looked like that. Oh, wow. These are cute. Look at the MTV shirt. I actually have an MTV t-shirt. Look at Barbie sticking out there. Okay, and then these are, see, there's so many hidden gems in a little spark stickers. You can use the detail, it's the detail and the color. So here we go with the boxes, the date of the week covers and the date dots. And then this is another deco sheet, or this is the journaling pages, I think. Let me see. Yes, 2 freestyle journaling sheets. So if you are a journaler, these are for you. Very cute. I'm interested to know how to use these. I'm not very good with the journaling, so I would probably end up putting them in my planner anyway, which I'm sure you can use them however you choose. So that is it. That's the RAD collection. Go check it out. That's exciting. I like the little trip back down memory lane. Oh, look at the candy necklace. I remember those. Yeah, this is cool. Very cool. So thank you to A Little Spark for sending me the extras. I really appreciate it, and it's exciting. I'm excited to use this. I will be using a lot of A Little Spark items in my new PR planner, which is a classic size happy planner. If that's it for the A Little Spark stickers that I have that I had not shared yet. I really do love this RAD collection. It's really cute. Please go over and check out A Little Spark, see what they have to offer. They do also have some printables. If you're into printables, you will find something there that you like, I'm sure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.